Hi everyone, this is Honey and welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all my family and friends who always supporting on my channel. Thank you for always watching on my videos. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. Today we will be making the bunny ear table napkin folding. Yes. Easter is just around the corner. A few days will be Easter, so I decided to do this tutorial so hopefully you can use this on your Easter dinner. If you would like to know how to create this, keep on watching. For today's project, we need a ribbon. You can use a different colors if you like. An egg. I use the chocolate covered eggs because I prefer to use that so they can eat it after, but you can also use a painted egg, a paper napkin. You can use different shades, but I personally recommend to use a light colors to fit with Easter, and a pair of scissors. Okay, then so let's start doing it. So I gonna open my table napkin. So I noticed that this is not really a big one. So this is just the right size for my egg. In the case that you are using a bigger eggs, try to find a bigger napkin. So it will gonna fit into your egg. So first, you open your napkin like this, and you have to fold it across, making a triangle. So it will gonna be look like this, and then you gonna fold this back to the middle like this, and then fold again another one back, and it will be like this, and then one more. No, I think I found it. I think that's enough for me. So because it is a small one, so I think this is enough for the size for my ear, because if I gonna fold it one more, the ear become, let me see, the ear become too small. Well, I think, yeah, so I can fold one more. So I fold it one more, going this one, fold it like that. So you gonna create like this, and then you gonna fold it to the middle. And then let's cut a piece of ribbon. And then we will put your egg in the middle like this. So I put it like that, and then you secure it by tying your ribbon. So I guess I cut a long ribbon. I'll see. Gonna cut it more shorter this time. I think this is too long, so I have to cut it half. Cut it into half. Yeah, it's the right size. And then we will gonna fasten it using your ribbon. If you are a kid, you need help from your mom, so call your mom or your older brothers and sisters, and you're gonna do it all together. And then you fasten it, secure that, and then you're just gonna tie it this way. Like that. If you are using a regular cotton or cloth ribbon, this is the right length of your ribbon. But since I am using the curl ribbon, so I got a mistake. I should have not cut it. So we will make another one, and then I'm gonna show you using the longer curl ribbon. So when doing this one, because Easter is like colors are light, so you have to use pastels like light color napkins. So this is the second one that I use a longer ribbons. It's so hard when you do it alone. Okay. You do like that, and then you make a bow. I make a bow. So you notice that this is long because this type of ribbon you can curl it. If you noticed in a gift that you have this kind of ribbon, so you just hold out the bottom and then you just run your scissor on it, and then you create that one. Nice, eh? There you go. Okay, and then you can fix it a little bit, and then that's it. Which one do you prefer? I think this one is more nicer. And then when you lay it on the table, you're just gonna do something like fold it a little bit like that to make an illusion of a rabbit ear. And that's it. So easy, right? So this is the finished product of our project, and hope you learned from my short tutorial today and you can use it for your Easter dinner. Thank you again for watching, guys, and before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another amazing videos. Please take care, everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe, have a good day, happy Easter, and I will see you again on my next video.